Well, we tried.
No, it's okay.
Live on Facebook again. Gouverneur fireworks.
Try it again. No, I got it. That's a good one. I'm trying to look for it. Jesus Christ.
What?
Didn't get a good one, but I'm messing up. That's one.
That was a really good one, though. It would have been a really good one, though. That's good. You like that?
Did I only take one?
Two, but you deleted one.
Yeah, that was good.
I'll wait for a bigger, like,
So we did Tyler, so we did this one. We did that one and the other one.
He's doing live. Hold on. He's doing live. He's live on Facebook.
Damn. That's a beautiful one.
I want to watch the show now. I'll wait for the grand finale and then I'll do the last one.
Turn out there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Well, that's pretty cool. Hello, everybody. It's Gouverneur fireworks, guys. It's on the third. Cool.
I'm fine. I'm just bitching.
It's only $2 for a hot dog. That's $2 on hot dogs? No?
I'm not going to fill the room back.
Okay. Okay.
You can stick my ass
That's pretty cool.
You can put my ass in an ounce.
Oh, that's bright.
No food and just water. I'd still come back up.
Hey, Uncle. My internet's swollen, I guess.
Good, but
Oh, do you want some like pictures in my phone?
watch this one. I'm just gonna show some.
Hey, mosquitoes going after me. Jesus. Holy mackerel.
Too much gunpowder in that one. Felt it
Skill
on my
kept.
legs.
Yeah, I know.
Felt that right in my chest.
Feel that one numbing? Holy mackerel. God damn.
Throwing hand grenades up in the fucking sky. I feel it on my legs.
Oh, that's cool. God damn.
You can see the shards as they come down too. You see them drift all the way over here. Crazy. They're just over the other side of the fence. See them now. Just like people right up close to. Nice.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
I think you go full.
Sucks they can't do like smiley faces or stuff.
I know. He was
Yeah,
what?
like a Japanese land and we just let them all go.
He was
They
what was
did
doing
it.
it.
They did one at my grandma's house before. They made smiley faces at my grandma's house.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
What is it?
Didn't they do that here last time?
You know you're thinking Harrisville.
Yeah, the Harrison one. Do you remember they did the smiley face one?
Yeah, they did Japanese land. Like they let them go. Real.
Tyler, Harrisville, New York.
Yes.
They had made smiley faces.
Sorry. You still alive?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Like 10 minutes going on now, really?
Yeah.
I know it's a 2-hour event, right?
Yeah.
I want to give your fingers a break before your battery runs out.
My internet's slow, guys, so you guys know that. So, I need to turn that. Not destroyed on. Turn notification on if you guys want to do it. Oh, that's what? What is that thing?
Oh, man, that chair is cold. Oh.
And these Christmas cards.
So if this boy can tell you guys, but it's my bad.
You gonna make it to the cookout tomorrow, or are you going to?
Yeah, I'm gonna probably cook out and then I'm gonna leave. When time you guys are going to be cooking? 1 or 2?
I'll do it early. I'll get
I had
up
to leave at 12.
I just realized I was rubbing your legs.
I had to leave at 10. I had to leave at 10 and now it's go to hours later.
You leaving at 10 in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we ain't doing that. I'll send you some meat. Jesus.
I think, boy, what the hell is going on my phone?
Boom. Are you playing the damn...
Drive up the boyness, guys. That's cool.
I'm sure they can see it.
Yeah, they can see it. Hopefully they can see it.
There's like gunpowder out here. Some back there, I think they put too much gunpowder in that one.
Yeah.
Way too damn. Fucking felt it in my legs big time. You know, it's too much when you feel it in your chest.
Yeah, I know. I think I was now. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, the drill boat, guys. I don't know if you guys can.
Same thing.
Why?
Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later. I want to ruin my thing. Ruin my data. I'm sorry, guys.